Hello, here I am again. So here are some 5-pound weights. And here is the famous pelota que compraron y no saben qué hacer con ella. Pues let's find out what we can do with it. Ab workout. Primero estiramos el esqueleto. Stretch. Entonces vamos a poner aquí en la espalda y vamos a hacer un arco aquí que esté todo derechito. Ponemos unas pesas. Levantando todo el cuerpo, flexing your obliques, tightening that booty. We go up, back, up, out, up, back, up, out. That's quick 5 ones. Start slow, flip it over. Now let's do some booty exercises. Get on your back. Lift your whole body. Squeeze. Up and down. Up and down. When you go up, make sure you flex your entire body. Hold it. And down. Up, down. That's another one you can do. This one, it's called I don't know what, but it works like this. Bring the ball to you, and you make it go away. Bring it to you, and as you bring it to you, you squeeze, and then you roll it out. Flexing at all times. And out. And out. There's another one. If you have any more questions, let me know.